ever hesitate before opening someone else's live photo? I know I do. You tap on it, expecting something amazing, but instead the image turns out blurry or shaky, or the cover photo looks completely different from the actual video. The colors don't match, the mood feels off, and that original moment is gone. Live photos are supposed to capture memories in motion, but most of the time it feels like opening a mystery box. You never really know what you're gonna get. That's exactly where the Vivo S60 changes the game. While plenty of phones in this price range talk about live photo features, the Vivo S60 actually fixes the biggest problems people have with them. It brings a true 4K live camera experience, delivering sharp, detailed shots while solving common issues like choppy playback, dropped frames, awkward transitions, and that lack of atmosphere you often see in regular live photos.
A quick shout out to my tech partner from China for sharing this video. A big thank you for making this possible. Hey everyone, it's Maiky from techmaiky. If you love staying updated with the latest gadgets, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss out our exciting tech content.
With the S60, taking live photos no longer feels like luck. A big reason for that is its flagship-level 4K direct-touch, ultra-lightweight live technology. This gives you rare frame-by-frame consistency that's hard to find even across the industry. Both the cover image and the moving video come from the same 4K original recording source, so the quality stays consistent from beginning to end. Every single frame is pulled directly from that 4K capture, and with the added original Sound Live feature, both the still cover and video maintain the same color tone, perspective, and overall feel. Compared with other phones, the difference becomes really obvious when you long press to preview live photos in WeChat moments. On the Vivo S60, the sharpness and texture stay consistent throughout. There's no weird color shifting between the cover and motion, no broken transitions, and no visual disconnect. Everything feels smooth and unified. And it goes even further. In original sound mode, the Vivo S60 also supports 3D image stabilization, which helps reduce motion blur when you're shooting moving subjects, so even fast-moving moments stay clear and stable. But that's not all. The Vivo S60 also introduces 4K Starlight Live, which makes live photos feel even more cinematic and atmospheric. It can intelligently recognize highlights and bright details in a scene, things like curved light trails, hand gestures, and sunlight reflections, and continuously enhances those starlight highlights to create a dreamy, flowing sparkle effect. It gives every shot a built-in, glowing, shimmering look without needing extra filters or color editing afterward. The atmosphere is created naturally right in camera. Another feature that's surprisingly fun and useful is Inspiration Sticker. Without needing to download any third-party collage app, you can instantly cut out moving subjects directly from your gallery with just one tap. After that, you can freely resize, drag, rotate, and place them however you want. It makes it incredibly easy to create eye-catching collages by combining portraits with landscapes, selfies with scenery, or even adding creative mini-style effects to a portrait with your pet. It's quick, simple, and perfect for creating social media posts that are guaranteed to get attention. When you combine that with features carried over from the previous generation, like highlight slow motion, zoom effects, Westgate, multiple film filters, and a variety of live effects, the Vivo S60 really feels like it's setting the standard for live photo creativity. Of course, software alone isn't enough, and that's where the hardware comes in. The Vivo S60 is backed by a powerful camera setup, including a 50-megapixel Sony gimbal-stabilized main camera, a 50-megapixel Sony periscope telephoto lens, and a 110-degree low-distortion ultra-wide-angle lens. Together, they deliver impressive image quality across every focal length. It also includes the same pure backlight portrait mode found in the X series, allowing it to capture portraits that look natural, detailed, and beautiful while still keeping skin tones realistic, even with beautification enabled. And the flagship experience doesn't stop there. Features like AI creative camera, dual-view video recording, and low-frequency line stabilization for video are all packed in as well, making the overall camera and imaging experience of the Vivo S60 incredibly strong and highly competitive for its class.
When it comes to design, the Vivo S60 offers much more than just attractive colors. The fresh ocean version I have here uses a special Starlight lithography finish that creates a subtle sparkling effect whenever light hits the surface. Paired with the soft blue and white gradient on the back, it feels almost like holding a tiny ocean filled with stars in your hand. It looks clean, elegant, and incredibly eye-catching. The overall design feels very premium as well. It features an integrated unibody design with a floating light cold-carved back panel, along with a matching unibody floating light cold-carved glass camera module. Everything flows together beautifully, giving the phone a polished and high-end look from every angle. Despite packing all of this in, the body stays impressively slim at just 7.79 millimeters, and it weighs only around 205 grams. That makes it light in the hand and very comfortable to use for long periods. The aviation-grade aluminum frame, combined with the 12.5 millimeter rounded corners, creates a smooth transition around the edges, so the grip feels natural and refined. For daily usability, Vivo has also brought flagship-level features into the moments people use most often. The upgraded 3D ultrasonic fingerprint 2.0 makes unlocking quick and effortless. Whether your hands are wet, sweaty, or even have skincare products on them, the phone still unlocks instantly with just a touch. The fingerprint position is also thoughtfully placed at around 4 centimeters in height, making it easy to reach comfortably, even for longer-nailed users. Battery life is another major highlight. The Vivo S60 comes with a huge 7,200 mAh ultra-thin blue ocean battery paired with 90-watt super-fast flash charging, so battery anxiety during everyday use is basically gone. With Global Direct Drive Power Supply 2.0, you can charge and use the phone at the same time while keeping heat under control. And with the Blue Lotus Smooth engine, Vivo says performance can stay smooth for up to 5 years, while charging remains stable and responsive without lag. Durability is equally impressive. The phone supports both IP68 and IP69 dust and water resistance, so it's built to handle rain, splashes, and everyday exposure with confidence. On top of that, you also get stereo dual speakers, an X-axis linear motor, infrared remote control, full-featured NFC, and VC cooling, which makes the overall hardware package feel very complete. Now let's briefly talk about the Vivo S60 Vitality Edition. In terms of appearance, design, and slim body profile, it's very close to the standard S60. It also keeps the same display, ultrasonic fingerprint sensor, 7,200 mAh battery, and IP68 dust and water resistance, so the core experience remains familiar. Inside, it's powered by the Dimensity 7500 processor, paired with that same large 7,200 mAh battery, which is more than capable for everyday use. For cameras, it comes with a 50-megapixel main camera alongside an ultra-wide-angle lens, and it still supports features like 4K Ultra HD Live, native live photo shooting, live inspiration zone, and large-view live camera movement, making it a very thoughtful and accessible option. Overall, the Vivo S60 series has truly redefined the live photo experience by making it more stable, lighter, and full of atmosphere. It's not simply about stacking specs on paper, it focuses on solving real everyday user frustrations and turns live photo from something unpredictable into something easy and enjoyable. When you combine that with its standout design, comfortable in-hand feel, excellent battery life, and reliable durability, the Vivo S60 feels like a smartphone built with young users in mind. It looks great, feels great, and delivers the kind of experience that makes you want to keep using it for a long time.